guys, I know I have so much to do. I think it's March 24th is tax day, and that means tomorrow's April 7th, and that's Marky's birthday. Oh, I can't forget to get some laxatives when I go to the store. What am I gonna do? Oh, my little Marky boy, he's gonna be 12 years old. Oh, what a nice boy he was. I remember he used to stroke the farm animals. He would stroke them. Oh, don't forget the laxatives. Oh. He would stroke the farm animals until they would sleep. They would sleep. They wouldn't wake up. They would sleep. Oh, my stomach. Oh. I gotta remember to get Marky some birthday presents tomorrow. My Marky. Ricky, he's gonna love this toy. This the funky chicken.
In my mind's eye, I see this place the players going past. I got a spot for us all so we can ball. And tears and couldn't sleep good for multiple years. Witness tears, cats, hoods, nobody cares. Seen the politicians ban us, they'd rather see us locked in chains. Please explain why they...
That's good.
Great song. I had to take off my hat. Oh.
Where's your Grammy? Grammy's gone.
She thinks it's my birthday. I still have like 4 months to my birthday. Crazy old bat.
Mikey, are you here? You brought your sweet friend. Mikey, give your Grammy some sugar. Oh, Jeffrey, I got you a little present. Oh, my brassiere.
That's cool. Yo, G-Ma, what's up?
Oh, you kids, you're so cute. I got some cookies all fresh out of the oven for you. Come inside. Come with me, kids. Dearly beloved, we are gathered to join these two in holy matrimony. It's an electric word, life. It means a mighty long time. There's something else, the afterworld. go crazy. Join these two together when the blessed meant to join together for better or worse, in sickness and in poorness, in death and life, and forever and ever thereafter.
Amen.
Harold, you can't brush your mustache at our wedding.
It's my only true love.
Harold, it's over.
Virginia.
Wanna have some fun?
No, my mustache! No, you get away! No!
Wanna have some fun? Okay, everybody, here we go.
Steven, was that you?
That's me.
You said you were a male model.
I am.
You liar!
On sweet cheeks. Come on, take a load off.
Steven, don't you even know my name?
Steven, Steffi, Stussy, Stacy.
Carol!
I hate blondes named Carol.
I was that girl.
Gasp.
Steven, I've come to apologize. I didn't mean to push you off the slide. Close up. Thank you. I really didn't.
But you screamed out right before you did. Look, I'm gonna put this rubber nugget off the slide. Shove.
I thought your name was Rubber Nugget.
Let's just get this over with and order dinner, okay?
All right. I think I want the chicken.
I want the chicken quesadilla. Oh, the waiter's here.
Okay, so I'll have the
Chicken. I'll have the chicken quesadilla. How'd you get here, little guy? You look all nice with your little knife in your hand. Want some? No one visits Chester. Is this a bad time?
Severely.
Oh.
No. You can come in.
What's your name?
My name is Chester the Non-Molester. Who are you?
Sarah.
That's a nice name, if you know what I mean.
What's that you got in your hand?
That's my new friend. I found him sitting on my countertop. You want to give him a kiss? Ah! Ah!
with me some eggs? I'm really hungry. I just wanted a potato.